Hello students. Hello students. Today we will learn about the complex numbers. What are the complex numbers? Those numbers which are of the type of a plus iota b. Any number but of the form of a plus iota b is called a complex number. Complex number where a b belongs to integers iota, where iota is equal to square root of minus 1. Here in a plus iota b, this one is real part. ये क्या है? Real part, and this is imaginary part. Imaginary part. This is known as iota. Iota, this is iota. Iota is minus 1, square root of minus 1. Iota square is what? Then minus 1 the square, that is equal to iota square is equal to minus 1. Remember it. This is the definition of complex number, right? Thank you. Now let us learn about the iota. Iota is equal to minus and square root of minus 1. Now the power of iota, that is iota to power 0, is always equal to 1. Note. Second, iota square, that is equal to, what is the value of iota? Minus 1. Minus 1 into under root minus 1, that is equal to what? That is minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. And third one is iota to power 4, that is equal to iota square whole square, that is equal to what? Iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 to power 2, that is equal to minus 1 square 2 means 1. Next one is iota to power 6, that is iota square to power 3, that is equal to what? Minus 1 to power 3, that is minus 1. It means iota to power 6 is equal to minus 1, iota to power 4 is equal to 1, iota square is equal to minus 1. This is all about iota. Iota to power 8, again like this, iota square to power 4, that is equal to minus 1 to power 4. Minus 1 to power 4. Any number which is odd, negative has a power even is always positive, therefore 1. Right? Minus 1 to power 4 is plus 1. Note, see here, you must have learned. Note, negative to power even is always positive. Negative to power odd is always negative. नोट कर लेना आपने, ठीक है. Now iota to power 3 is equal to iota square into iota. Iota square is equal to what? Minus 1 into iota, that is equal to minus iota. That is, which implies what? Iota cube is equal to minus iota. Iota cube is equal to minus iota. Note it. Next is iota to power 5, that is equal to iota to power 2 into iota to power 2 into iota. That is equal to iota to power 2 to power 2 into iota. Iota square is equal to what? Since here iota square is equal to minus 1, write down here minus 1 to power 2 into iota. That is 1 into iota. That is equal to iota. Which implies what? Iota to power 5 is equal to iota. Right? Evaluate 2 iota to power 3, that is equal to 2 iota to power 3 equal to 2 to power 3 into iota to power 3. 2 to power 3, see here, 2 to power 3 is equal to 8. 8 iota cube. Now, write down like this, iota square into iota. Iota square 8, since iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore iota square की जगह क्या लिख देंगे बेटा? minus 1 into iota, that is minus 8 iota. This is the value of 2 iota to power 3 is equal to 8 iota. Two iota to power 3 is equal to minus 8 iota. Evaluate 8 iota into minus iota upon 8. Let us solve it. This is equal to 8 iota into minus iota upon 8. 8 से 8 कट गया, क्या रह गया? Iota into minus iota, that is equal to minus iota square. Powers are added because the bases are same, powers are added. Minus iota square can be written like this. Now we know that iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. That is minus 1 into minus 1, minus minus plus. Answer is 1. Right? Because here you can say iota square is equal to square root of minus 1 to power 2. That is equal to minus 1. Now let us evaluate iota plus iota to power 5, iota to power 9, iota to power 13. That is equal to what? Iota plus iota to power 9 can be written like this, iota to power 5 plus iota to power 5 plus 4 plus iota to power 5 plus 8. 8 plus 5, 13. That is equal to what? Iota plus iota to power 5 plus iota to power 5 into iota to power 4 plus iota to power 5 into iota to power 8. Iota to power 5 is common everywhere. We can take it outside. Common iota to power 5 into what left here 1, and here iota to power 4 plus iota to power 8. Now iota is equal to what? Square root of minus 1 plus iota to power 5, that is equal to iota to power 5 is equal to iota to power 4 into iota, that is iota to power 4 means minus 1 iota square to power 2 into iota. See here, that is equal to what? Iota square is equal to minus 1 to power 2 into iota, that is 1 into iota. That is equal to, you can write simply here iota फिलहाल इसे iota रहने दीजिए. Now iota to power 5 is equal to what? Iota, right? Now next is 1 plus iota to power 4. See here, iota to power 4 is equal to iota to power 4 is equal to iota square to power 2. That is equal to what? Iota square is minus 1 to power 2. That is equal to 1. Iota to power 4 is 1 plus iota to power 8. Iota to power 8 is equal to iota square to power 4. That is equal to minus 1 to power 4. That is 1. Again 1. Now iota plus iota 1 plus 1 plus 1 कितने हो गए? 3. That is iota plus 3 iota. 3 plus 1 कितने iota हो गए? 4 iota. This is the answer. Right. Simplify 1 over iota minus 1 over iota square plus 1 over iota cube minus 1 over iota to power 4. That is equal to 1 over iota. You can write down 1 over iota simply minus 1 over iota square. Iota square is equal to what? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. You will write down minus 1 here plus iota cube. Iota cube is equal to iota square into iota. Iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into iota is equal to minus iota. So this is equal to minus iota minus iota to power 4. That is equal to iota square to power 2. That is iota square is equal to minus 1 to power 2. That is equal to 1. 1 upon 1. Now this is equal to 1 over iota minus minus plus 1. This is minus plus minus 1 upon iota minus 1. 1 के साथ 1 चला गया, ये प्लस का ये माइनस का, तो आपस में कट गई. क्या रह गया? 1 अपॉन आयटा माइनस 1 अपॉन आयटा. आयटा से आयटा कट गया, क्या रह गया? इससे ये कट गया आपस में, क्या रह गया? 0. 0 इज आंसर है. राइट. Evaluate iota to power n plus iota to power n plus 1 plus iota to power n plus 2 plus iota to power n plus 3. Here we can write like this: iota to power n plus iota to power n into iota plus iota to power n into iota square plus iota to power n into iota to power 3. Can we write like this, na? iota to power, let us suppose here 2 plus 3, therefore iota 2 into iota 3. We can write like this. For any number we can write. This was the example. Now here you can see easily that iota to power n is the same. You can take it as common, iota to power n. What left inside? क्या रह गया अंदर? Here 1 iota, iota square, iota cube. Now iota to power n 1 plus iota. Iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. Iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. And iota cube is equal to what? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota cube is equal to iota square into iota. That is minus 1 into iota. That is minus iota. That is equal to minus iota. Iota to power n into 1 plus iota minus 1 minus iota. Now 1 प्लस है, ये माइनस का है, तो आपस में कट गई ये, और यहाँ आइटा प्लस का ये, आइटा माइनस का है, ये भी आपस में कट गए, तो क्या रह गया अंदर? आइटा टू पावर n into 0. When we multiply any number by 0, it becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. Find iota to power 592 plus iota to power 590 plus iota to power 588 plus iota to power 584 upon iota to power 582 plus iota to power 580 plus iota to power 578 plus iota to power 574. Let us solve it. If we take here iota to power 10 from all of them common, what left inside? Here left iota to power 582, right? 10 इसमें से माइनस करो, iota to power 580 आ जाएगा बेटा, और यहाँ 10 माइनस करो, iota to power 578 प्लस यहाँ से 10 माइनस करो, iota to power 574 अपॉन iota to power 582 plus iota to power 580 plus iota to power 578 plus iota to power, इसको वैसे ले दो, 574 minus 1. Now check out, ये आपस में पूरा कट गया, देखो सेम ही है ना ऊपर नीचे, तो क्या रह गया इधर? iota to power 10 minus 1. Iota to power 10 minus 1. Iota to power 10. See here. Iota to power 10 is equal to iota square to power 5. That is iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 to power 5. That is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे. साइन कौन सा रहेगा? माइनस का. माइनस 2. Prove that 1 plus iota to power 4 into 1 plus 1 upon iota to power 4 is equal to 16. ये प्रूव करना. We will take left hand side. Take left hand side. Take left hand side. That is equal to what? 1 plus iota power 4 into 1 plus 1 upon iota to power 4. That is equal to what? 1 plus iota to power 4 into. Now multiply by iota. ऊपर नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो? आइटा के साथ. इस वाले को 1 plus iota into 1, it will be fashion iota into iota. That is equal to what? 1 plus iota to power 4 into 1 plus iota upon iota square. What is iota square? What? Iota square 1 plus iota to power 4 into 1 plus 1 iota upon iota square. Iota is equal to what? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Therefore 1 plus iota to power 4 into 1 plus iota upon minus 1. Why minus 1? Because iota square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus iota to power 4 into 1 plus minus iota to power 4 is also 4. Iota to power 4. So 1 plus iota to power 4 can be write like this. 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. Whole power is 4. 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota to power 4. You know here, using the formula of a minus v into a plus v, that is equal to a square minus b square. That is equal to what? Square of 1 minus iota square to power 4. Minus 1, square of 1 is 1. Iota square. What is iota square? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Write down here. Minus 1 to power 4. That is equal to 1 minus minus plus. Plus 1 हो गया to power 4. 2 to power 4. That is equal to 2 to power 4 is equal to 16, which is to prove. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand